All right, let's go inside and check it out.
Yeah.
All right, this is a big size swimming pool,
Yeah.
like a resort style.
We have inside swimming, indoor swimming.
Oh, you have indoor swimming pool as well. Okay, perfect. Okay, this is like a little lounge area.
Resting area.
Awesome. All right, perfect. It kind of oversees the indoor pool, also the outdoor pool. All right, they are building like no tomorrow. Here you have a sea view. This is the living room and kitchen area. You know who to call.
In this complex, we have 3 blocks. 2 blocks belongs to us, our company. 1 block belongs to the landlords, but the landlords can't use our social facilities. In this complex, we have indoor, outdoor swimming pool, sauna, fitness. Between the blocks, we have tennis courts, cafe, mini bar, and children playground.
Oh
we
wow,
have.
okay.
Yeah. Around there, the municipality have plan for making park. Have plan, but we don't know the actual date. They will plan a park. It's close to main highway, and this location is close to beach, approximately 2 kilometers. By riding 5 minutes to beach.
All right, let's go inside and check it out.
Yeah.
We already
Yeah.
have Iranian family here, huh?
Yeah,
Oh,
I think 4 or 5 Iranian families living here.
they already live here.
Yeah, yeah.
Wow,
Already.
that's awesome.
One of them is Masi. We like her very much.
Really?
We like her very much. He's come from the United States.
Oh, okay.
She's come from.
So it's
from the
just
United
one
States.
person?
But there are another.
No.
Family.
This particular person you're talking about is only one, or
Yeah,
is
yeah,
it
yeah.
so entire
Particular
family?
with Masi. We are very close.
Oh,
friends.
that's awesome. Okay, so let's go and show around the facility.
Okay. Here we have fitness.
All right, let me kind of go. Is there any way we could go inside and look at it?
Yeah, we can check it from the front door.
All right, let's go. All right. All right, this is a big size swimming pool,
Yeah.
like a resort style.
We have inside swimming, indoor swimming.
Oh, you have indoor swimming pool as well. Okay,
Yeah.
perfect. How much is the IDAT for here?
For 1+1, it is 700 Turkish lira. Then it makes, I think, 35 euro. Maybe
35 euro a
around.
month.
A month, yeah.
Okay. And that cover all the cleaning?
All the cleaning, all the facility usage.
700 Turkish lira currently.
7, yeah. For 1+1.
Okay. When this building was built?
Previous year on March.
So March of 2021.
22.
Oh yeah. We already in,
yeah.
oh man.
Yeah.
We already in
We are-
23. Yeah.
Yeah.
I've been here so long now. All right. Yeah. March of 2022 it was finished. All right. Let's go inside and check the rest. Okay. This is like a little lounge area.
Resting area.
Awesome. Okay. You know who to call. Okay. All right. All right, let's go.
We can check swimming pool, sauna, fitness. I think it's closed now.
But it's visible from here.
Yeah. Inside sauna.
The indoor swimming pool. And then that's the sauna. We got the steam and the dry sauna. Both?
Just sauna. It is a bathroom. Toilet.
That's the. Oh, okay, that's the.
That's it, steam room. But in our park project, we have steam room as well.
Oh, okay. So on the other project, you have a steam room. Okay, this is a dry sauna. All right, so this would be the fitness room. All right.
Yeah, you can.
All right, perfect. It kind of oversees the indoor pool, also the outdoor pool. And over there you have this little barbecue place and all that. All right, let's go to the rest of this wonderful building.
Build tennis court.
Oh,
We'll have a children park. For
Here?
Kids, for kids, yeah.
Right here,
Yeah.
in the grass area.
Yeah, near this area. In this area, they will.
What it will be right here?
I don't know. There, it is not belong to our company, but municipality will do something. But I don't know. Maybe they make plant trees.
Okay. So, but this is not part of the project, but it
Not part,
happened
yeah.
to be between the block
Two blocks.
A here and block B
Yeah.
there, that they can all utilize this.
Yeah.
And this is happened to be right in the middle of it.
Yeah.
Okay. It needs to be reserved to use, or
Yes. No need. It's open for public.
oh, now we can open it and just use it.
If you want, you can now.
Tennis.
We can
Okay,
play
perfect.
tennis, yeah.
That's awesome.
This block has also own swimming pool.
All right.
Amalia, and we will create a barbecue area for this.
Perfect.
And here we have parking area for the
All
car.
right.
In A block we don't.
Because the facility took much bigger space over there.
Yeah.
Okay,
That's right.
I understand. All right. So actually, B block for people that have car, it can be a better option.
Yes.
Also,
And-
it sits higher.
Yeah, I want to say that it is a little bit higher than the other blocks front, approximately 30 meters higher from the other parts.
And right here, you can see the sea. And I'm sure on the higher floor of this project, you can see the sea too.
From
Let me
the
actually.
stage there
Yep.
is magnificent sea castle view.
All right, let's go and see the rest of this wonderful project. Here we have some other type of activities. All right, they have a.
We will do something for coffee machines.
All right. Okay.
As simple construction, we constructed these buildings, and now we are managing.
You're managing your building
Managing
too.
this,
Perfect. So the IDAT basically goes to you
we are
to
managing, yeah.
make sure everything is stay at your standard.
Yeah.
And here's like a little storage if you have a party or something, put the stuff right here. That's very, very thoughtful. Okay. Wonderful. Lovely modern design. And wow, let's go. Hi.
Here we have management office.
Perfect. Oh, the office is right here. In-house.
Yeah.
All right.
Dressing rooms, bedrooms for swimming. Dressing rooms.
This is a dressing room.
Yeah.
Orası depo abi.
Depo.
Burada oturan giyim odaları içinde.
Giyim
Tuvalet,
odaları.
banyo.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, and this is another one. Yep. Look at the quality, guys.
Melis.
All right.
Çocuk oyun alanı yapmışız. And there is a children
Playground.
playground.
Oh, okay, that's awesome. This is always open to all the
All the days, yeah.
kids to come and
For it, yeah.
play around. All right. Wonderful. All right. Let's go to the rest of this.
Parking area.
This is where.
Entrance.
This is the entrance. If
Main
you
entrance. Yeah.
park your car here, you come
I
from
can
there.
open.
All right. Awesome. Let's take a little. Thank you. Okay. So pretty much, this would be the entrance. You can park your car here. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 cars. We can probably fit even 10 cars if they're smaller cars, but 9 would fit just perfect. And as you guys know here, we don't have many people that actually live here year round, because a lot of people, they have like a vacation house here.
In this block we have 32 flats. In this block,
Oh.
32.
32 total. Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome.
With this A block we have all 72.
Oh, total 72.
Total 72.
So
in this
th-
block we have 32.
And the other one has 40.
40, yeah.
It's total of 2 blocks.
Yeah.
That's it. Okay. All right, welcome in. Okay, this is the entrance. And it's actually right next to the elevator. That's awesome. And they're cleaning every day, making sure places are staying pristine and clean. All right. I gotta tell you guys something about Turkish doors right now in all these projects. As you can see, door lock from both ends, here and also here. So one end goes here, the other end goes to the other side of the frame, and there's 3 of them. Not that here is unsafe, it's just extra security. A lot of European bought properties in here. I would say 60-70% of buyers are mainly Europeans, and most of the time they're probably not even here. They're probably here half the year when it's so cold there. They live in here because it's wonderful weather, and this is just to make them feel more safe when they're out of town, back home, wherever home is. It can be Finland, it can be Norway, it can be Sweden, all these countries that people bought properties in here, and when they're not around, they probably want a little extra security. Not that here is unsafe, but it's just a peace of mind, I guess. Okay, let me actually open this. As you guys can see, everywhere in Alanya, they are building like no tomorrow. And here you have a sea view. Alright. And imagine after all these buildings are done. Wow. Areas are exploding. They're all waiting for you guys to come here and enjoy these wonderful opportunities before it's too late. All right, so let's go here. Split quality. Okay. All right, so this is the living room and kitchen area. Okay. Okay, let me actually go to the other side and show you guys a little bit better. They already have built-in LED light on a ceiling. It's a wonderful, compact, one-bedroom condo, very close to the beach, and also this new highway that they're building that connect Mersin, Gazi Pasha to Alanya, and from Alanya it goes to Antalya and all the way to Bodrum. It's literally right down the hill from here. This is pretty much a brand new unit. You literally can see the sea from here. See? It's right behind those buildings right here. The one and only Mediterranean Sea. Alright you guys. I've been here for over a month, and there's all kinds of great projects here to invest, and prices are going nuts. From last year to this year it almost went, but almost 100% up, and there's no sign of it coming down, obviously, because there's just so much demand. Just from Ukraine and Russia, we had about 35,000 people moved in here in the last year. Imagine. Other than that, see you guys in another video. If you want more information, reach out, DM us wherever you see this video, comment, or just reach out. Follow Realtor Meruz and our YouTube channel. And if you want any information from any of these neighboring cities, they're all by Mediterranean Sea. If we can answer it ourselves, we know the people that they can give us the accurate, proper answer. So you come here well informed and super transparent. Talk to you guys soon.